Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the time of day display in Subnautica 2. The time of day display is a decorative clock for your base that lets you keep track of the in-game time. To get it, you'll first need to reach the alien ruins, located about 1,040 meters east of your life pod. It's recommended to make this trip after obtaining the heat tolerance adaptation and the tadpole, so you can safely cross the high temperature zone and avoid the collector leviathan by swimming close to the surface. Once you reach the front of the alien tower, head 120 degrees on your compass. When you spot this glowing green tower, swim toward it. At the base of the tower, on the right side, you'll find the first time of day display fragment. Pull out your scanner and scan it. For the second fragment, face east and look over the edge of the island. Down on the seafloor, below the first platforms you'll notice a glowing light in the distance. Swim down to it and you'll find several scattered objects. Beside an opened crate is the second fragment. Scan it to complete the blueprint. After that, return to your base and build the time of day display using your habitat builder. You'll find it under interior facilities, and it requires 1 titanium, 1 enameled glass, and 1 copper, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.